Speechling is a language coaching site that has been approved for students and staff members to use. So you would create an account. I already have, so I'm going to sign in with Google. The Speechling website has a number of different parts. There is a study section where there's a word that comes up and you are able to
¿Y
listen
tú?
And you?
to both the phrase in the language that you're trying to learn and in English. You can slow it down,
¿Y tú?
And you?
and you can also change and listen to it in another gender.
¿Y tú?
Then students can record themselves trying the same phrases. There's also then in a toolbox, and this changes, whatever you have open does not show on the top, but in the toolbox then you can go to the dashboard. There's a dictation
Él piensa.
where you can type in what's being said. There's listening practice.
Hola.
And as
Hello.
each comes up,
¿Estás cerca?
Is it close?
they'll then show you
Lo
then the
olvidé.
sentence and the translation down at the bottom. So you can work on listening comprehension and then checking afterwards down below. There's then flashcards. And the flashcards give the phrase, and you can listen in both the male and female
Eso es
voice,
suficiente.
and then try to figure out what
Eso
it
es
means.
suficiente.
You can record yourself saying it, and then the translation is on the back, and then you can self-monitor and say, did I get it right? Did I not get it right? There's also a multiple choice quiz
De vez en cuando.
where the words and the audio are above with choices down here. And as you make choices,
De vez en cuando.
it will then mark green for correct and
¿A
red
qué
for
hora?
incorrect. And then show you which one is correct
¿Quién
to match
eres?
that. There's also a fill in the blank. So it tells you what the phrase is, and then being able to put in the word to go along with it, and then that you can check your answer. And there's also a search. So if you want to find a word,
Bolso.
and it even gives other things like an entire sentence.
Aquí está tu bolsa.
There's a skill tree that then has the different levels and different types of words that are there that can be practiced. For the recordings, if you go to the audio journal, I have a coach for Spanish. You get those coaches come as you're picking the language, as you're getting started. And then down here, I do have my voice where I recorded 10 days ago, and then feedback. For the things that I just did today, I do not have my feedback yet from my coach. So I need to work and wait for that to come.
Hola, mucho gusto. Mi nombre es Esteban. Soy tu coach de español. Bienvenida a Speechling.
And so that's how the feedback comes as verbal feedback. So this could be a useful tool to use for language learning.